Kid Zone with Trishy. Teeth are not for biting. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Teeth are strong and sharp. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Teeth can help you chew. But teeth are not for biting. Ouch! Biting hurts. How many teeth do you have? How many teeth do you have? Someday you'll have 20. Wow, that's a lot. When new teeth come in, your mouth may be sore. When new teeth come in, you may want to bite. But teeth are not for biting. Ouch! Biting hurts. Let's do this instead. Chew a chewy toy. Drink a cold drink. Take a little rest. Get a hug. That feels better. When you feel mad or sad or cranky, you may want to bite. But teeth are not for biting. Ouch! Biting hurts. Let's do this instead. Use your words. Tell a grown-up. Take a little break. Get a hug. That feels better. What if someone bites you? Ouch! Do you bite back? No, biting hurts. You can ask a grown-up for help. Teeth are not for biting. Teeth are for smiling. Say cheese.